Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Leche Flan, a classic Filipino dessert. We will use simple ingredients including Bear brand evaporated milk to achieve a rich and creamy texture. First, let's gather our essentials. 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk, about 10 to 12 egg yolks, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Our next step is creating the beautiful golden caramel base. Take about 1 cup of granulated sugar and melt it directly in your anura or chosen heat-safe mold over medium-low heat. Watch it carefully as it transforms into a lovely amber liquid. Once melted, gently swirl the mold to ensure the bottom is completely coated. This sweet, slightly bitter layer is crucial for that authentic Leche Flan flavor. Now let's prepare the creamy custard mixture. In a bowl, gently whisk your 10 to 12 egg yolks until just combined, avoiding too much air. Gradually add the Bear brand evaporated milk, condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, stirring slowly. For an incredibly silky smooth flan, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve 2 or 3 times. This removes any small lumps or air bubbles, ensuring a flawless finish. With our caramel and custard ready, it's time to steam. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture over the hardened caramel in your mold. Cover it tightly with aluminum foil to prevent any water from entering. Steam the flan over low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set with a slight jiggle. After cooling to room temperature, refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Then, simply unmold and enjoy your homemade, perfectly smooth Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.